Hi everyone, welcome to Just the GearHead. Not sure if I'll put this in as its own video or if I'll just tack this into some other video as just a little update. But anyways, I'm going to be doing the other side of the floor braces, I guess, on the Ranchero. So today's just going to be some more welding, grinding, or well, actually grinding, cutting, and then welding probably. But anyways, we'll get started on that. And more foam. So it's actually a little while later, like a couple weeks later. So video last stopped, I guess. I was trying to prep it for welding and whatnot. My grinder actually just died. It's not working anymore. So I went to Canadian Tire, got a new grinder. But then the weather took a turn for the worse. It snowed and got pretty ugly. If you watched the steering wheel video, you probably saw some of the snow. Well, the last couple of days it's actually warmed up. It's actually, I think, plus 14 today or something. So all the snow is gone, and I'm hoping I can get the rest of that side welded up and whatnot, so that at least I can get it done before more snow shows up. Anyways, we'll get back to grinding and cutting and welding, and yeah, we'll see how far we get. All right, so this is my new grinder. It's just a Canadian Tire Mastercraft one. It's kind of cool. It's got 3 positions for the handle, forward handle. We'll put that there for now. Probably have to move it right away. The other thing that's kind of cool is the bottom handle actually swivels from side to side. So it might be helpful to get into some tight areas. But anyways, first I took that piece of cardboard I had cut up and I traced it onto here. So we're going to cut this out. Then I'll take it inside and bang some curves into it, and then we'll test fit it, trim it, test fit it, and then finally weld it in, hopefully. So after cutting, welding, hammering, bending, whatever, trimming, we got it to fit in there pretty good. I got the jack in again to hold it in place, and a couple of C-clamps. So we'll get to welding now. Alright, well, the welding actually went a little worse than the other side on this side. I'm not sure if it's the difference in wire or whatever, but yeah. So, they're a little boogery. Again, we hit with the grinder, and now we're going to throw on some rust preventative primer, and then this side will pretty much be done. Like I said, I'm not that concerned about the boogery because I am going to do some sort of bed liner undercoating stuff on these. So, yeah, but we'll throw the spray on. So I guess that's where we'll call this episode of Just a Gearhead done. The patch on the passenger side in front wheel well is finished. There is some other structural welding patches I'm going to have to do. And there's a bunch of other cosmetic rust that has to be fixed too. I'm not sure how much of what's going to have to get done before it will pass the out of province. But we'll keep plugging away at it and see how it goes. Hopefully we get a few more nice days. Not holding my breath. It is Canada. At any time now we could get minus 30 and 3 feet of snow. But there are a few little projects I can do in the house over when it's cold. I do have a little space heater out here. It doesn't work that great, but we might still come back out and do some more stuff on the Buick or something in the garage. We will just have to wait and see how it goes. But anyways, that'll be it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys want merchandise, check out my Redbubble page. Well, the link to it's in the description. For all you who have commented, liked, subscribed, and bought merchandise in the past, I thank you very much. It's very appreciated. Helps the channel grow a bit and helps me with the projects because all proceeds from the merchandise go back into the projects. So anyways, I'll see you next time.